Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix League of Legends game crashing or not loading or not launching, showing black screen error or lagging or freezing error on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to check system requirements. For that, you need to go to the Riot client over here, select your game and then go below, and here you can see the minimum specs and recommended specs. So check those requirements and after that try to launch the game and check if you can play it. Next solution is to restart VGC service. For that, go to the search bar. Here search for services. Search for services over here. Here search for VGC. Double click on it and in the startup type select automatic and then click on start. After it is finished, click on apply and then click on OK. After this, try to launch the game and then check if this solution works. Next solution is to check server status. So you should also check the server status of the Riot client and see if there is any downtime. If there is any downtime, then you need to wait for some time until it resolves and you can play the game. The next is to repair League of Legends game. For that, you need to go to the Riot client over here, launch, check the game and then click on your profile icon. Here click on settings and then here click on repair option. This will repair the game files and after you repair it, now try to play the game and then check if this solution works for you. The next is to run as administrator. For that, you simply go to the shortcut icon on the desktop, select it, right click on it and here simply click on run as administrator. After this, check if your game runs and you can play the game without any further problem. The next solution is to update graphics card. For that, go to the search bar over here, search for device manager. Now go below and expand display adapters. Select the graphics card and then click on update driver and after that click on search automatically for drivers. This will search for the best drivers for your PC and install it. Now after that, try to launch the game and check if this solution works, or else I have provided the link in the description. Go through them, download and install the latest drivers on your PC. Next solution is to check for game update. For that, you simply go to the Riot client over here, select your game and see you can see update option. Simply click on update if there is any update available and after that try to launch the game and then check if this solution works. Next solution suggested is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option over here, search for check for updates option. This will take you to the Windows update interface. Here you need to simply click on check for updates option. If there is any update available, simply update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to play the game and check if this solution works. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any kind of antivirus installed in your PC, kindly disable it before playing. This will help you to play the game smoothly without any further problem. Next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option over here, search for graphic settings. This kind of interface will open. Here you need to add the game. So I have already added the game over here. Simply click on the arrow icon and after you add the game, you need to go to the GPU preference. Here you need to select high performance and after that try to play the game and check if this solution works for you. If not, after following all these methods, simply restart your PC once. So for that, you simply need to go to the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then click on restart option. This will restart your PC. After this, try to play the game and check if it's working now. If not, the final solution suggested is to reinstall League of Legends game. For that, go to the search option over here, search for settings. After it, go to the app section, click on installed apps. Now go below and look for your game over here. See, it's been added. Simply click on three dot icon and then click on uninstall option. This will uninstall the game from your PC, or else you can also go to the control panel, then click on uninstall a program, and from here also you can simply uninstall the game after selecting it. So by this way you can easily reinstall the game and then check if so. After you uninstall the game, simply restart your PC once and then again reinstall it on your PC and try to play the game and see if it's working now. So all these are some of the best solutions to fix League of Legends game crashing or not launching or not starting error on PC. So that's all for now. Thank you.